Bigat. Ngayong araw, sabay-sabay nating i-explore ang ganda at yaman ng Bangar Tiamyanan, Bangar! The mystic Amburayan River is a must-see sight in the northern part of our humble municipality. It is known to be the setting of the famous Ilocano epic, Biag ni Lam-ang.
Bangareños hospitality at our excellent resorts. Enjoy a nice swim at our freshwater pools or just sit and relax under the palm trees.
St. Christopher Parish Church is one of the few churches to have 3 belfries in the country. Other than that, the intricate ceiling murals, which depicts the Apostles' Creed and mysteries of the Holy Rosary, is a must-visit attraction. Quality na bell products ba ang hanap nyo? Dito nyo na matatagpuan. Tara, silipin natin! Bangar is the home of famous, authentic, and quality Ilocano hand-woven products or inabel, like blankets, towels, table covers, pillowcases, and even barongs and gowns. These worldwide recognized products are being made by the Inabel community, which cater tourists who would like to experience the fun of traditional way of weaving the Abel cloth. Our town is sufficient in fruits and other crops, and in terms of rice production in the province, we are #1. Kilala ang aming bayan bilang producer ng matutulis na panday. Halina't tunghayan natin ang proseso ng paggawa nito.
Relish the summer with the relaxing, warm, and tranquil sand of Paratong Beach. The people's primary source of living here is fishing and stone picking.
I am Vienna Lumakayan, representing the municipality of Bangar.